How are you feeling?
Tuesday, Wednesday worse, yesterday and today better, despite shoveling snow.
Okay. Hey, Kristen? How was New Year's?
I stayed at home, my wife got sick.
Yeah. I did make a New Year's. Okay. Good. Other side. Did you get that flu that's going on now?
I got my shot.
Yeah. Perfect. On your back.